So now in this video we will be extract this province and create a separate of this geological formation, how to and also represent this area. So I firstly go some new tab open. You can go your insert and new map layout, so it will be create a new map, and I will be copy this Pakistan administration area and everything is. So I want to firstly remove this base map area and open the this and copy to this and paste it. So I want to paste it, and then I will be also copy the okay the this one data, copy and paste it. So now I will be go to my analysis view control panel and Pakistan shapefile. In Pakistan shapefile we have the different province. Okay, so this is the districts and this is the okay, this is the another is the local, and this is the main province. So I want to remove this district and this local district of shapefile. So you can see it. It's this point located in this area. So firstly, which thing I will do, I will be, for example, move this one. No, I will be firstly this to move to upward to show the point, and again I use the clip option, the analysis and the more tool and clip option, it directly open, and in this input will be my input will be, for example, the okay, so this is the geological data is the park administration. So input will be the my park administration, this shapefile, the scene shapefile. Okay, so firstly I will be extract the scene shapefile. So firstly I will be remove the name, it will be geological data. Okay, and then I will, you can also change the name by go to property, and this will be by Pakistan, and in this Pakistan go to attribute table and go to send. Okay, and by clicking this you can create a okay, so it's, for example, there is the option data. You can also use this, and you can selection. So create select a visible feature in. Okay, no, sorry, go to attribute. I want to only this, and go to selection, and this is the mark a layer from selected. Okay, this is good. Okay, so I created this one and I remove this one. Now this is the Pakistan. Okay, so I will change the Sindh province. Okay, and now I again use the clip option. Now tool, clip option, go to this is my Sindh province will be my okay, so geological data and Sindh province. Let's check, will be my current map and default will be the Sindh province. Let's check what will be happening. So you can see it if I uncheck and uncheck. So this province I extracted, and I will be no need this same province. Oh, So I not need the same province. I only need this geological data, and this will be my point location. So now in next video we will be further finalize this map, and now created will be the layout.